gorgeous. She's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that sun. Oh my goodness. The hall here. What we have is, wow, that's like all made of sand. That's incredible. Is this kind of like when we did the Maya? It's like the that ritual. Well, no, it's different. Completely different. Oh, this is Tibetan.
Well, no, it's like Tibetan.
It's like the Tibetan. Yeah.
Yeah, you think about it.
Let's see. That's all sand, people. See the sand? And it's got oranges. That's amazing.
Well, we have 20
See how she's
minutes. Do
doing
you
it?
want to, what do you want to, the movie is, I'm not sure.
Let's head that way. Oh, look at that thing. I want to go see that shiny thing. it never changes. I'm always chasing the shiny object, right? Oh, that's cool. Chinese house. Oh, here we go. Whoa. I'm not that close. It's so cool. I want to look at that. Oh, that's so cool. Wait, is it there? No, I'm trying to find myself. Always trying to find myself. Know thyself, right? So we're, wow. That was intense. Look at that. Oh. And look at the shadow it casts. It's incredible.
I like the,
Light streaming through. Yeah, that's awesome.
yeah.
I want that in my house. Pretty cool. You want to check out the Chinese house? Chinese house. Let's go out here for it. Just for a second.
We wanted to pay for the Maya.
Yeah, but, oh, you want to go sit down? Yeah, but we got 10 minutes. Yeah, this is nothing. We'll just go in here for a minute. I'm still saving it. Oh, it's locked. Not today. Not today, people. Okay, so that's about enough for this.
Where the more sun